By the end of this video, you're gonna be able to shuffle a deck of cards like this. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're having a great day so far. I'm gonna be teaching you something pretty simple yet complicated, if that makes any sense. How to properly shuffle a deck of cards. The riffle shuffle. Like that everybody does. That might look really intimidating at first, but once you get it down, you'll be able to do it. No table, upside down, whatever you want. So grab a deck of cards and let's get started. For this video, I'm going to be using my favorite deck of cards right now. But this was a collaboration between Chris Ramsey and Daniel Madison. This is the Knights deck. Really cool looking deck of cards. So let's get into it. So go ahead and take off about half the deck, whether you have to riffle down, whatever you got to do, and get one half in each hand. Now you want to grab one end with the thumb and the other end with your two middle fingers, your middle finger and your ring finger. Take your pointer finger, curl it down like this, and start kind of pushing out. Not all the pressure with your finger, kind of use the other two to squeeze it in, but this is just going to assist you to get that little arch there. So practice that if you need to. So get the deck, take about half off, put them in the hands, get in that position. Turn them sideways so they're like here, and now you'll be in position, you'll be ready to go. Now I always release with the left first, and then you just do that. So try to just interlock. It's not going to be exactly one and the other when you're first starting out. It's not going to be perfect, but just keep practicing getting that movement, going down like that. Now from here, if you want to learn the fancy bridge thing, stick around. Unless that's all you need, then you already left the video. Alright, so now that you're a master shuffler, where do you go from here? So you end like this, your hands are here. Next step, push them in a little bit. Not all the way in, just a little bit, so they're not falling out. So you have about that much space. And now your thumbs come into play a lot. They're going to be holding everything in place. So look, you want to kind of bend the deck like this. Bottom looking like that, these fingers down, this, and you're releasing it down slowly. Now if you just got a brand new deck of cards, it's going to be a little bit harder because they're still going to be really slippery and smooth and, you know, more rigid. So you'll have to apply a little more force. But if you already have cards that are broken in like these, you'll be good to go. I hope that made sense, and if it didn't, let me know in the comments, because I do want to be as clear as I can when I'm doing these things. I do want to start doing more tutorials of cardistry and even magic. I'm even willing to open up and share some really cool card tricks that took me a long time to learn for free here on YouTube. All I ask is that you guys subscribe and turn on the bell icon notification thing so you know when a new video comes out. But just, yeah, keep practicing. If you need to rewind, just watch the video until you get it. And I mean, if you want to send me a video if you're doing it, if you learn it, feel free to do that. I'll repost you. And let me know how you like the structure of these videos. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Peace out.